Hi guys, so I made this up and I did fly it. It does work, but not 100%. So what I'm going to do, I'm make a new one up. But I thought I'd show how this is made up in case it's not understood properly. A4 piece of paper, fold it in half, mark 85 centimeters from there. Sorry, millimeters. Yeah, 85 millimeters. Then that's the bottom, from bottom to there, and then fold this to that mark. Fold this to the same mark. Then tape it. Now the next part, I folded it that way one time, but it didn't really work good, so I folded it this way. Mark 30 millimeters on the bottom edge here, which is about there, and 10 from here, which is about there. Do the same on this side. 30 millimeters and 10 on this side. Put a rule across there. Turn it over, do the same. That's your plane. Now, mark about 80 millimeters from there to there, but this one I'm just showing, this is the one I made before. Here it is. This is actually working. So, what I did, I marked it about 65 millimeter. Looks okay. Then you tape it down there, put your battery in, put your battery there, put your battery inside there, tape it down there, and off you go. Make sure that the blades are facing that way, and put it up like this, and it should work. Boys, ready? Go. Switch on. Oh. Okay, did you get it? Yeah, so that's it guys. It works really great. Okay, so it flew the proper way up this time. I did reduce this length here, and yeah, I'm happy with that.